Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a B2 level grammar lesson. We're continuing to talk about modal verbs, and this is the modal should, modals of advisability. Alright, so we have these questions. What is the right thing to do? So Rachel has an exam tomorrow, so she should study today. John has a cold, so he should take some medicine. And Ashley is tired today, so she should go to bed early tonight. We use should to give a suggestion. You should eat more fruit and vegetables. It's a good thing to do. Or to say something about a duty or a responsibility. You should feed the cat because it's an important thing to do. So should is another modal like the ones we've talked about in the past, similar to can, could, must, have to, etc. So we use should to express advisability, and the sentence structure is subject plus the modal verb should plus the main verb and the rest of the sentence. So I should call my mom today. You should listen to your teacher. He should exercise more often. She should have a party. We should think about a vacation. They should turn off the music. Alright, so now complete these sentences using should plus one of the verbs below. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So we should buy a ticket to France. We need a vacation. It's an excellent film. You should go and see it. The garden is dry. I should water the plants. And Mia has an exam tomorrow, so she should study this evening. It's rainy today. We should stay inside the house. If you have time, you should visit the museum. You can't eat all the cake now. You should save some of it for later. And you should buy that hat. It looks great on you. Now try and match these statements with the advice. So John is overweight. I think he should eat less fatty food. Taylor saved a lot of money. I think she should buy a new house. And he wants to learn Japanese. I think he should enroll in a course. Now we often use I think plus should or I don't think plus should. I think you should come with us to the cinema means I think it's a good idea. I don't think you should smoke. I think that it is not a good idea. And then in the question form, do you think I should buy this shirt? Do you think it's a good idea? So now use think and don't think below. So it's not important. I don't think you should worry about it. You seem sad. I think we should do something fun. Roger's sister is lazy. I think she should do some exercise. It's raining today, so I don't think we should go to the beach. And you look tired. I don't think you should study tonight. Now we're going to use think, don't think, think or don't think plus should plus one of the verbs below. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So Sally's boyfriend is so rude. I think she should get another boyfriend. That painting is beautiful and only $80. I think you should buy it. It's 11:30 p.m. I don't think you should phone your mom now. Do it tomorrow. We are running very late. I think we should take a taxi. So you aren't sure, so you ask a friend. You're at a party and you want to talk to the guy with the blonde hair. Do you think I should talk to that guy? You're in a shop. You really like the black and white shirt. So the question that you could ask your friend would be, do you think I should buy that shirt? Your plane leaves in 1 hour. You are running late. Do you think I should take a taxi? You don't like your job. You want to work somewhere new. Do you think I should get a new job? And you've just finished college. You want to take a vacation. Do you think I should take a vacation? All right, so now we're going to talk about things that are not a good idea. So Tyler has a sore back, so he shouldn't go jogging today. Alistair is sleepy, so he shouldn't drive a car. And Sophia's boss is rude, but she shouldn't listen to him. Okay, to shouldn't do something means that it's not a good idea. The sentence structure for this is the subject plus shouldn't plus the verb and the rest of the sentence. So I shouldn't call my mom today. You shouldn't be rude to your teacher. He shouldn't yell so often. She shouldn't be this difficult. It shouldn't snow today. We shouldn't watch TV tonight. And they shouldn't listen to loud music. All right, now you're going to use should or shouldn't in these sentences. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So you should come to the party tomorrow. It will be great. Daniel shouldn't run because he has a very sore back. In my opinion, children should be quiet at dinner. I think Helen should listen to me. I'm her mother. You're 22. I think you should learn to drive a car. Now you're going to use should or shouldn't plus one of the verbs. If you aren't going to work tomorrow, you should call your boss now. Your breath smells. I think you should brush your teeth. John, I think you should speak to your son. He needs your help. Please, you shouldn't leave the milk out. Put it back in the fridge. Okay, I think we should go now. We have to be at the station soon. It was great to meet you. We should see each other again. That film is not for children. You shouldn't watch it. What a great book. I think my dad should read it too. What a beautiful morning. You should get out of bed. Roger needs a break. He shouldn't work so hard. Kevin drives everywhere. I think he should walk for a change. Darling, you should turn off your phone. We are at the cinema. So here are some other situations. You are driving to your friend's house. You expected to be there at 4 p.m., but you're still on the road, and now it's 5 p.m. We should be there by now, so it is not right, or you didn't expect this. So the baby is awake at 1 a.m. He should be asleep by now. The price of milk is wrong. It says $3.20. It should be cheaper. Your sister has a meeting at 9 a.m. It's 8:30 and she is asleep. So she should be awake by now. It is summer, but it is cold and raining today. It should be sunny. Everything is going wrong today. It shouldn't be so difficult. Your friend is always complaining. She should be happy. You feel sick today. You took a tablet, so you should feel better soon. You expected Carla and Sanjay at your house hours ago. They should be here by now. And then we can also use should when we expect something to happen. You studied hard and you have an exam tomorrow, so you should pass the exam. You feel like Chinese food and you live in Chinatown, so it should be easy to find something to eat, or it shouldn't be hard to find something to eat. All right, so now you can complete these sentences with either should or shouldn't, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. There are lots of hotels here. It should be easy to find one. The recipe only needs eggs, flour, and milk. It shouldn't be difficult to make it. My teacher always gives easy exams, so tomorrow's exam shouldn't be hard. The plane is leaving on time, so you should be in Rome in about 3 hours. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.